All right, for all of those farmers and ranchers out there, this is an important lesson which most of you already know. But this is a good reminder if you're out mowing during the summer, if you're out doing a lot of work in your tractor, doesn't matter what tractor it is, this applies, what I'm about to say. This one is a Mahindra ML500, came from J5 Tractors in Normandy. Who knows, it's probably got less than 1,000 hours on it, so it's not a whole lot of man hours. But I want to show you something. You go out one day and you see all this? It's all clogged up. And that can lead to many different things. You see here, this going to your condenser, to your radiator, all that's air conditioner. This gets clogged up, air can't go through there, cannot cool those lines, and your air conditioner will stop blowing cold. It's got this screen here that helps. However, you got to blow that out, and what I recommend is doing it every single day. Take that screen out from the other side on this one, same here on the other side, blow it out with water as well. I'm trying to clean all that out of the bottom. But something else here I want to show you. It's very, very important. So you've got to have air, fuel, spark, and here it's compression because this is a diesel engine. And anyways, this right here, this bad boy, your air filter, might look different on your vehicle, but I'm going to show you. Usually it'll have your part numbers on the bottom here, and then you got your air filter. A lot of these will have 2 air filters. This one has 2. It's got this big one, it's got this one in here. You need to clean out both of them. I just cleaned both of these out, and you see all this dirt right here? All that came out of this filter. I didn't touch the little filter, but it also came out of this. So on the lid, you got to make sure you take this dude off right here, because the lid is, it's not just a piece. There's, see that bottom portion? That means there can be dirt down in there. I bet about 6 ounces of dirt came out of this thing. So when you blow these out, or you know, sometimes we don't have enough time to go get a filter, you blow this out, blow it out both directions, from this side, from this side. Also, you want to hit it, watch that dirt come out of there, get as much out as you can. That is if you're trying to do it on a whim. If you don't have enough time to go and get you another filter, that's what you need to do. So blow that out from both sides, get it as clean as you can. Check your secondary filter, make sure it's clean. But also, very, very important, get as much dirt out of this thing as you can. Because if you don't, it's going to be inside there, and it's immediately going to go inside that filter. So you cannot run a gasoline or a diesel engine properly without good airflow. So be a lesson to the wise. Your engine either will not start, which was the case of this one, or it will overheat your transmission. It will overheat your AC. It will overheat your engine. And you don't want to do that. So I would recommend every day that you go out, blow it out, even with a leaf blower, but check those things, because it's not worth spending $100,000 on a new tractor, or even $5,000 just to send it over and get a tractor mechanic or somebody to work on it for you, when you could be doing these simple things yourself. Thanks for watching.